Good morning, student. Welcome to e-platform of Mothers International Academy. Today, I am going to teach you Maths of Standard 4. The first chapter of your Maths book is Numbers Beyond 9999. That is 9999. I had already discussed few topics of chapter 1 with you through sending study materials. Those topics are 5 and 6 digit numbers, Indian place value chart, writing large numbers in figures, face and place value of a digit, and expanded form. But now onwards, I will take the class through video lecture. Hope you will be benefited, and of course I'll try to give my best. So without delay, let's start the next topic. So the next topic is comparison of numbers. Okay. The next topic is comparison of number. Okay. Now students, I think all have got the books. So please take out page number 16. On page number 16, you will get this topic. Okay. Now, the comparison of numbers, to compare a number, we have certain rules. So, we are going to discuss rule number 1. Okay. The rule number 1 is when two numbers have different number of digits. Rule number 1 is when two numbers are having different number of digits. Okay. Okay. For example, I am giving you two different numbers. One number is 2546 and the second number is 364. Okay. Now we have to see that out of these two numbers, which number is greater. Okay? Which number is greater? Okay. Now, rule number 1 is, again I am going through it, when two numbers are having different number of digits. Different number means the first number which I have given you, that is 2546. In 2546, you have how many digits? Just count 1, 2, 3, 4. Having what? 4 digits. Okay. Now, the next number which I have given you, that is 364. In 364, again we have to count the digits. That is 1, 2, 3. So, 2546 is having 4 digits and 364 is having 3 digits. Clear to you? So, which number is greater? 4 or 3? 4 is greater than 3. Clear to you? So, which number is having 4 digits? Obviously, 2546 is having 4 digits. Whereas 364 is having how many? 3 digits. So here 4 is greater than 3. Obviously this number is having 4 digits and this is having 3 digits. This number is greater than 364. So what we get? That 2546 is greater than 364. Okay. Now we are going to discuss one more example. am going to give you one more example. $62,326, and one more number I am giving you is 645. Okay, and I am asking you that out of these two numbers, which number is greater? Again, what you are going to do according to the rule, that you have to count the digits. Clear to you? So first number is 62,326. The first number is 62,326. In this first number, you are having how many digits? So count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 62,326 is having 5 digits, whereas 645 is having 3 digits. Clear to you? 1, 2 and 3. So one number is having 5 digits, another number is having 3 digits. So which one is greater? 5 or 3? Obviously 5 is greater. If 5 is greater, then we can easily take out that which number is greater, since 62,326 is having 5 digits, whereas 645 is having 3 digits. Okay, so here 5 is greater than 3. Obviously the number which is having 5 digits is greater than the number which is having what? 3 digits. Okay, I think you have understood the first rule. Now we are going to discuss now the second rule. The second rule of to compare the number. Now, students, please move to the next page. That is page number 17. You will get the second rule. The second rule is when two numbers are having same number of digits. Okay, same number of digits. Okay, now see, what is the rule number 2? When two numbers are having same number of digits. Again, I am going to give you example. For example, okay, 25,564. This is the one number, and the second number is 23,312. Clear to you? These two numbers I have given you. What did I tell you? That what is rule number 2? When two numbers are having same number of digits. Now we are going to start counting the digits now. So in first number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, there are 5 digits. And of course in second number we are having how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both the numbers are having 5 digits. So we start from the left hand side. We start comparing one by one the digits. The first digit is 2 and the second number also having the digit 2. So 2 is equal to 2. Move to the second digit. In first number the second digit is 5 and in second number the second digit is 3. Here these two digits are different. We can easily find out which number is greater. Here 5 is greater than what? 3. So which number is having 5? The first number is having 5. 25,564. And in second number, the second digit is 3. Okay. Now, the first number is 2. No need to compare. Okay. So, we are going to see the second digit. Here, in first number, the second digit is 5. Whereas in second number, the second digit is 3. 5 is greater than 3. So, obviously, this number will be greater than the second number, that is 23,312. Clear to you? Now, for rule 2, again, one more example I am going to discuss with you. Let's take the second example of rule 2, that is 27,940, the first. And the second number is 27,864. Again, the same thing, we have to take out which number is greater. Clear to you? Now see, the same thing we have to do. We have to compare from the left hand side. Again and again I am telling you that whenever you start comparing two numbers, you will start from the left hand side. This is your left hand side. Now, we start the first digit. In the first number, the first digit is 2. Of course, in the second number also, the first digit is 2. So, 2 and 2 in both sides, this is equal. Now, we are going to move towards the second digit. So, in the first number, the second digit is 7. And of course, in the second number also, the second digit is 7. Again, 7 is equal to 7. We will move towards the third digit. In first number, the third digit is 9. Whereas, in the second number, the third digit is 8. Both the digits are what? Different. Now we can easily take out which number is greater. Here 9 is greater than 8. Very well you know. If 9 is greater than 8, we have to find out in which number we are having this digit 9. So see, in the first number we are having the digit 9. Okay. And of course, the digit 8 you have to find out. In the second number, you have what? The digit 8. If here 9 is greater than 8, obviously the first number is having the digit 9. So this whole number will be greater than this second. Let it go. Now, for this same rule, I am going to take one more example. Now, one more example I am taking. See, 6,34,572 and the second number 6,34,560. Clear to you? The two numbers I have given you, 6,34,572 and the second number is 6,34,560. Again, the same thing we have to do. We have to find out which number is what? Greater. Okay. So, we will start taking out that which number is greater. From left hand side, again see how many times I told you. From left hand side, we start seeing the digits. the first digit in first number is 6, and of course in the second number also the first digit is 6. So 6 is equal to 6. We are going to move towards the second digit. In first number the second digit is 3, whereas in the second number also the second digit is 3. So again 3 is equal to 3. We will move towards the third digit. The third digit in first number is 4, and of course in second number also the third digit is 4. Again 4 is equal to 4. We will move to the fourth digit. The fourth digit is 5 in first number, and of course in second number also the fourth digit is 5. Again these two are equal. Now we are going to move to the fifth digit. The fifth digit of the first number is 7, and the fifth digit of the second number is 6. So I am telling you this 7 and 6 both are different number. It is easier to what? Compare. So 7 is greater than what? 6. So you have to find out the digit in which number 7 is there. In the first number, the digit 7 you can find out. So the first digit is, first number is 6,34,572, and 6 you will get in the second number. The second number is wait a minute. The second number is 6,34,560. Okay. Now again I am telling you both the number you compare. First digit is 6. In the second number also first digit is 6. Okay. Again we will move to the second digit. The second digit is 3, and of course in this number also the second digit is 3. Okay. Now we will move to the third digit. In the first number also the third digit is 4, and in second number also the third digit is 4. Of course move towards the fourth digit. In fourth digit, the fourth digit is 5 in first number, and of course in second number also the fourth digit is 5. Now we will see the fifth digit. Here the fifth digit is 7, and in second number the fifth digit is 6. 7 and 6. Which one is greater? 7 is greater than 6. Now if 7 is greater than 6, so this number, this whole number means 6,34,572 will be greater than 6,34,560. Clear to you? Okay. Now students, we will discuss the exercises. Okay. So take out the exercises. Exercise 1D, page number 19. Okay. Take out exercise 1D, page number 19. Page number 19. The first one is fill in the blanks using the greater, smaller and equal to symbols. The first one is to fill in the blanks using these symbols. Clear to you? So this is the greater, this is the smaller, and this is the equal to symbol. Okay. So few sums I am going to discuss with you. The first one is, or if you look into the book here, 2506, and the second number is 286. Now, according to rule 1, what to do? We have to count the digits. In first number you are having 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4. And of course in the second number you are having 3 digits, that is 1, 2, 3. Which one is greater? This number is having 4 digits and this number is 3 digits. Obviously the number which is having 4 digits is greater than the number which is having the 3 digits. Clear to you? So we are going to give the greater sign. Now again one more I want to discuss with you. Wait. The second one is 66,329. Okay? And the another digit is 6,51,780. Here also remember rule 1. Sorry. Now, according to rule 1, both the numbers are having different number of digits. Okay? Now, here the first number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 having 5 digits. And of course the second number you start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This number, the second number is having 6 digits. So which one is greater? 5 or 6? 6 is greater. So this number is having 6 digits and this number is having 5 digits. Obviously the number which is having 6 digits will be greater. So the sign of greater will be towards this number. Now one more. 2,63,149. Okay. 3,92,500. Again, according to rule 2. In rule 2, what we have read? That both the numbers will be of same number of digits. Clear to you? Now, again we are going to count whether these two numbers are having same number of digits or not. Clear to you? So start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This number is having, the first number is having 6 digits, whereas 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The second number also having the 6 digits. So what to do? We have to start counting digit wise from the left hand side. Here the first digit is what? 2. And in second number the first digit is 3. Obviously we know very well that 2 is smaller than 3 and 3 is greater than 2. So which number will be greater? 3 is greater. So the sign will be this sign. Clear to you? Okay. Now I think you can solve the exercise 1. The first exercise you can solve it. Now we will move towards the second one of the same exercise, that is you have to find the larger number. Find the largest number in each group. The second one is to find the largest number in each group. Okay. So the second one is what? to find the largest number in each group. So I am going to solve only one sums. That is, the first one is 5,320, 3,520, 2,530, and the last one is 2,053. Here is the space given to write down the answer. So what to do? 4 numbers are given. Okay, if you have the book, please look into the book. Okay, 4 numbers are given. Out of the 4 numbers, what you have to find out? You have to find out the largest number. So start. See, comparing the first digit. So start comparing the first digit. Here, this is the first number. In first number, the first digit is what? 5. Okay. In second number, the first digit is 3. In third number, the first digit is 2. And in the fourth number also, the first digit is 2. These two are, both these numbers are same, so we needed to compare these two. Leave it. Now the comparison will be between these two different numbers. Here it is 5 and this is 3. Which number is greater? Obviously 5 is greater. Clear to you? So in which number you will get the digit 5? Obviously in the first number. Yes or no? Yes. So 5 is greater, so this number has become what? The largest one. And here you have to write down. Clear to you? Yes or no? Okay. So you are having only 4 sums. Try to solve it. 1 already I have solved. You have to solve only 3. Now the next one also I want to discuss with you. In the next topic, what to do? You have to find out the, here you have find out the smallest number. Okay. Okay. To find the smallest number in each group. Again, I'm going to solve only one. 62,514. If you have the book, please look into the book. That is page number 19. 21,951. The third number is 41,527. And the fourth number is 42,519. Again, the space is given to write down the answer. Now again the same thing, we start. Here we have to take out the smallest number. So start seeing the first digit of the first number. All are having, first of all we are going to check whether all the numbers are having same number of digits or not. So the first number is having 5 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course the second number 2 is having 5 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to check the third number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the last number, that is 42,519, is also having the same digit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there is no confusion. All the numbers are having the same number of digits. Now we have to compare start comparing the first digit. In the first number, the first digit is 6. In second number, the first digit is 2. Third number, the first digit is 4. And of course, in the last number also, the first digit is 4. What did I tell you? Both the numbers are what? Same. and here 6 and 2 is the different number. So first of all we have to compare 6 to 4. Okay, since this is the same number, so leave it. Between 6 to 4, which number is greater? 6 is greater. We happen to take out the greater number, largest one, so leave this 6. Clear to you? Among these two digits, we have to now find out which one is the smallest one. So between 2 and 4, which one is the smallest? 2 is smallest. Clear to you? So in which number you have digit 2? This number. Yes or no? So this number will become what? The smallest number. And this number I am going to write here, where the space is given for the answer. Okay? Is it clear to you? So shall I give you the homework? So please write down the homework. So today's homework is, you have to do A, B, C of exercise 1D of page number 19. Where you have to do, you know? In your rough copy. Clear to you? And of course in very good handwriting. Okay? So you have got? Is it interesting? Okay. Now students, meet you again with my next video. Till then, take care. Okay.